Hey YouTube, I'm Reese and this is my bike check. So it's a custom bike same. So here we have blue Federal bar ends, red deluxe grips, dead nice, dead thick as well. Same on the other side. Have infinity bars, pretty big but they're good. I like them. The stem, I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it, but it says proper or proper, I don't know how you do it. I've got two red bolts at the front and then in the sides as well. I have a United top cap here and two spacers. I have a BSD frame which is really light. I'm not sure what the forks are, but they're painted red, spray painted and dead nice. I have a metallic red rim. It's a nitrous hub in the front and a nice dusty as well. Going on to pedals, I have Odyssey pedals, which says there, Odyssey. I'm not sure what the cranks are, but it's still nice. I've got a scratch there, but they're alright. Got a pink cup with two spacers. See all the bearings there. Got a sticker, forever. I've got a lone red 25-2 sprocket. I'm not sure what the chain is. The back tyre is a salt hub set. Salt hub. Oh my god, I can't get my words out. Yeah, it's a salt hub with a 9 tooth. It's pretty loud. I'll show you now. I'm not sure what make the seat is, but it's pretty nice, dead comfy. So that's it really, that's my bike. Yeah, again it is a custom, it's dead nice, dead light, and it runs dead smooth. Thanks for watching, comment, rate and subscribe. I'll be making edits soon, so if you subscribe, stay tuned because I'll be making some cool, good edits. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.